Hi there, I'm Chris from Aquaprobe. I have with me today our GPS aquameter and our AP1000 Aquaprobe. This is our top of the range probe. It measures many parameters such as optical dissolved oxygen and depth. I'm going to be performing some calibrations on this probe shortly. Here's a list of what we have planned. First of all, I'm going to perform rapid cal calibration on the probe. This probe calibrates multiple parameters and is intended for use in the field. First of all, insert your probe directly into the bottle, scroll down in the menu to calibration and select rapid cal. Allow time for the probe to stabilise. Once stabilisation is complete, the calibration will begin. Calibration typically lasts for 10 to 30 seconds. Okay, 90%, there we go. That's the rapid cal calibration completed. It really is as simple as that. With that calibration, we've calibrated pH, EC and turbidity. Here's some more details. We're now going to carry out calibration at pH 4.01. This will give us our 2-point calibration. We select from the menu, go down to calibration. This time we select full cal, and within this menu we select pH ORP. We're given a group of options here. I'm going to scroll down to pH 401 and press OK. This will begin the stabilisation. Again, allow a little time for this. If your bottles have come out of the fridge, this can take a little longer. There we go, calibration has begun now. Okay, that's it. Calibration at pH 401 complete. We now have our 2-point calibration for pH and should be able to achieve accurate readings. Next, as part of our 2-point calibration video, I'm going to calibrate at 0% using our ZO150 solution. I have the probe inserted into the bottle already. I will scroll down into the calibration menu, select full cal, DOEC and DO0. We will begin calibration on that. Allow some time for stabilisation. This may take a few minutes with the DO solution. Okay, there we go, it's begun calibration. 50%. Okay, that's the DO0 calibrated. Next, we're going to do the DO at 100%. Okay, to complete our 2-point calibration for dissolved oxygen, we now need to calibrate the probe to 100%. Now, as we've just used 0% solution, I've rinsed the probe to remove any excess liquid. The last thing we want is 0% solution on our electrode when we're calibrating at 100%. So the 100% calibration is very simple. We take one of our BOT 300 bottles, you swill it with some water first, empty the water out, and then insert your probe. And the idea of this is that it's a moist environment. You then scroll down in the menu, calibration, and DO 100%. It will begin stabilising. This should be fairly quick, and then it will continue to calibrate your probe at 100%. Okay, calibration's begun. There we go, calibration complete.